What if we're not alone in the universe? It's a question that has captivated humanity for centuries, from the ancient myths of gods descending from the stars to modern-day accounts of strange lights in the sky. The idea of extraterrestrial life, whether intelligent beings or simple organisms, has been a topic of intense speculation, both in scientific circles and popular culture. But what if these mysterious sightings are not just figments of imagination? What if, for years, the world has been witnessing something truly out of this world? UFOs, or unidentified flying objects, have long been associated with alien encounters, government cover-ups, and secret military operations. However, the UFO phenomenon is not just about flying saucers or Hollywood depictions of little green men. It's about unexplained events that continue to perplex scientists, governments, and civilians alike. In this video, we will delve into the UFO phenomenon, exploring its history, evidence, theories, and the ongoing debate over what these objects might really be. 2. The early history of UFO sightings. The modern UFO phenomenon can be traced back to the mid-20th century, but sightings of strange objects in the sky have been recorded for centuries. One of the earliest recorded UFO encounters dates back to 1561 in Nuremberg, Germany, where a mass sighting took place. According to reports, large, spherical objects appeared in the sky, seemingly engaged in a battle. Witnesses described flying shields and globes of fire, which eventually vanished as quickly as they had appeared. This event was documented in a woodcut, providing a visual representation of what was witnessed. While this may seem like a bizarre medieval myth, similar reports have continued throughout history. Fast forward to 1947, a pivotal year for the UFO phenomenon. This was the year when the term flying saucer was coined. A businessman named Kenneth Arnold was flying his small aircraft near Mount Rainier in Washington when he saw 9 crescent-shaped objects flying at high speed. Arnold described the objects as saucer-like, and this led to widespread media coverage of the incident. The event sparked a wave of UFO sightings across the United States, as people reported seeing strange objects in the sky. This was just the beginning of a much larger phenomenon. 3. The Roswell incident, the birth of a UFO legend. Perhaps the most famous UFO incident in history occurred in Roswell, New Mexico, in 1947. According to reports, a mysterious object crashed on a ranch near Roswell, and the U.S. military quickly moved to recover the wreckage. Initially, the military claimed that it had recovered a flying disc, which fueled public speculation that it was evidence of an extraterrestrial spacecraft. However, the military later retracted the statement and said it was actually a weather balloon that had crashed. This sudden reversal only deepened suspicions of a cover-up. Over the years, many conspiracy theories have emerged, suggesting that the U.S. government recovered alien bodies and technology from the crash site, and that these findings were kept secret from the public. The Roswell incident became a cultural touchstone for UFO enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike, solidifying its place in UFO lore. 4. Government involvement and investigations. In response to the growing number of UFO sightings and public interest, the U.S. government began conducting its own investigations into the phenomenon. One of the most notable efforts was Project Blue Book, a U.S. Air Force program that ran from 1952 to 1969. Project Blue Book aimed to investigate and analyze UFO reports, with a focus on determining whether they posed a threat to national security. Over the course of its existence, the project investigated over 12,000 sightings. While many of the cases were determined to be misidentified natural phenomena, aircraft, or man-made objects, a small percentage of sightings remained unexplained. The release of previously classified documents in the 1970s and 1980s revealed that the U.S. government had been actively monitoring UFO sightings, but had often dismissed them as hoaxes or misinterpretations. However, some of the documents raised more questions than answers. In 2020, the U.S. Department of Defense made headlines by officially releasing 3 videos taken by Navy pilots, which showed unidentified objects moving at extraordinary speeds and performing maneuvers that defied conventional understanding of physics. These videos reignited the debate about the true nature of UFOs and whether they could be evidence of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology from foreign governments. 5. The Pentagon's UAP report and new perspectives. In 2021, the U.S. government took an unprecedented step by releasing a report on unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, the new term adopted to describe UFOs. The report, which was compiled by the U.S. intelligence community, analyzed 144 UAP sightings between 2004 and 2021. The findings were both intriguing and unsettling. Out of the 144 sightings, only one could be definitively explained, while the rest remained unexplained. The report noted that many of the objects demonstrated flight capabilities far beyond anything that the U.S. military possessed, leading some to speculate that they might be of extraterrestrial origin. The UAP report has led to a shift in the way the UFO phenomenon is perceived. While previously dismissed as fringe conspiracy theories, UFOs and UAPs are now taken seriously by mainstream media, scientists, and government officials. In fact, in recent years, the Pentagon has created a task force to investigate UAPs, further signaling a willingness to explore the phenomenon in a more systematic and open manner. 6. Possible explanations for UFOs. What are we seeing? The mystery surrounding UFOs has led to a variety of theories regarding their origins and nature. While some people firmly believe in extraterrestrial life, others propose more down-to-earth explanations. Let's explore some of the most popular theories that attempt to explain the UFO phenomenon. Extraterrestrial hypothesis. The most widely known and discussed theory is that UFOs are of extraterrestrial origin. According to this hypothesis, the objects are spacecraft piloted by beings from other planets, galaxies, or even dimensions. Proponents of this theory point to the vastness of the universe and the possibility that other civilizations might have developed advanced technology capable of interstellar travel. The strange characteristics of UFOs, such as their ability to hover in place, perform rapid maneuvers, or disappear at incredible speeds, are often cited as evidence that these crafts may not be human-made. One of the key pieces of evidence supporting this theory is the numerous reports from military personnel, pilots, and astronauts who have witnessed UFOs up close. In some cases, these individuals have described their encounters in great detail, emphasizing the advanced nature of the technology involved. For example, in 2004, U.S. Navy pilot David Fravor encountered a UAP off the coast of California. Fravor described seeing a tic-tac-shaped object that appeared to defy the laws of physics, moving rapidly in ways that no known aircraft could. The belief in extraterrestrial involvement has been reinforced by the discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system, which could potentially support life. The recent findings of Earth-like planets in the habitable zone of distant stars have fueled the idea that life elsewhere in the universe may not only be possible but could be far more advanced than our own. Secret military technology. Another theory suggests that UFOs are actually advanced military aircraft, either from the United States or foreign nations, that have yet to be disclosed to the public. This theory is grounded in the idea that the U.S. government, along with other world powers, may have developed cutting-edge aerospace technology that is far beyond what is currently known. The remarkable flight characteristics of many UFO sightings, such as their ability to perform high-speed maneuvers, evade radar detection, and operate in ways that defy our understanding of aerodynamics, could potentially be explained by advanced military technology. Some experts believe that UFOs might be prototypes of secret military projects, such as stealth aircraft or experimental drones, which are being tested without public knowledge. The secrecy surrounding military operations, especially in the realm of new technologies, has led to speculation that many UFO sightings could be misidentifications of highly classified aircraft. In fact, certain UFO sightings have coincided with known military activities, such as during the testing of new aircraft or weapons systems. For instance, the mysterious black triangles that have been reported across various regions of the world are often associated with secretive military projects, such as the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. These aircraft, designed for stealth and advanced maneuverability, might explain some UFO sightings, especially those that involve triangular or boomerang-shaped objects. Natural phenomena and atmospheric anomalies. Some UFO sightings may be attributed to natural phenomena or atmospheric anomalies. This theory suggests that strange lights or objects in the sky are the result of weather conditions, atmospheric distortions, or optical illusions. For example, some UFOs have been identified as ball lightning, a rare and poorly understood phenomenon in which glowing orbs of electricity appear during thunderstorms. These orbs can hover in the air, move erratically, and even disappear suddenly, making them seem otherworldly to those who witness them. Another possible explanation is the skyquake or earthquake lights phenomenon, in which strange lights appear in the sky before or during seismic activity. These lights can take on various forms, including balls of light or columns of fire, and have been documented in many parts of the world. Though scientists are still unsure about the exact causes of these phenomena, some speculate that they are the result of ionization of the atmosphere or the release of gases from the Earth's crust. Additionally, certain UFO sightings may be the result of optical illusions caused by atmospheric conditions. For example, a sun dog or halo effect can create the appearance of strange lights or objects around the sun. These optical effects occur when sunlight is refracted by ice crystals in the atmosphere, producing dazzling and unusual visual phenomena. Psychological and perceptual explanations. Some psychologists and researchers believe that UFO sightings are the result of human perception and psychological factors. This theory suggests that people who report UFO encounters may be experiencing hallucinations, misinterpretations of familiar objects, or cognitive biases. For example, some UFO sightings occur during moments of heightened emotional states, such as stress or fear, which could lead people to perceive ordinary objects, such as airplanes or balloons, as something more extraordinary. In addition, certain UFO encounters could be the result of sleep paralysis, a phenomenon in which individuals experience temporary paralysis upon waking or falling asleep. During sleep paralysis, people often report vivid hallucinations, such as seeing strange figures or lights, which may later be interpreted as UFOs. These experiences can be so intense that they are remembered as real encounters with extraterrestrial beings. Finally, the influence of pop culture and media portrayals of UFOs may also play a role in shaping people's perceptions. Many UFO sightings occur in areas where there has been significant media coverage of alien encounters or UFO sightings, leading individuals to interpret ambiguous or unexplained phenomena as evidence of extraterrestrial visitations. The search for evidence: is there any? Despite the many theories surrounding UFOs, one of the biggest challenges in proving the existence of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology is the lack of concrete evidence. While there have been numerous sightings, photographs, videos, and eyewitness testimonies, most of these have been inconclusive. In many cases, the evidence has been either debunked, explained away, or dismissed as hoaxes. However, recent developments have renewed hope for those seeking hard evidence. The release of the Pentagon's UAP report and the continued investigation into unexplained aerial phenomena has brought more attention to the issue. While the report did not provide definitive answers, it did acknowledge that there are many unexplained sightings that warrant further investigation. As technology advances and scientific research continues, the hope is that we will eventually uncover more concrete evidence of UFOs, whether they are extraterrestrial in origin or the result of human ingenuity. 7. The scientific search for extraterrestrial life: are we getting closer? As the UFO phenomenon continues to capture the imagination of people worldwide, scientists have also become more actively involved in the search for extraterrestrial life. This search is not just about UFO sightings but also about understanding whether life exists beyond Earth in any form, be it microbial, intelligent, or something else entirely. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has been a key scientific endeavor for decades, with researchers scanning the stars for signals or signs of intelligent life. One of the most famous scientific projects related to extraterrestrial life is the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI. SETI employs a variety of methods to listen for radio signals or other forms of communication that might be coming from extraterrestrial civilizations. The most famous of these efforts is the use of radio telescopes, such as the Arecibo Observatory, before its collapse in 2020, to monitor radio waves from distant stars and galaxies. While SETI has not yet found definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life, the search continues with new methods, including the study of exoplanets in the habitable zones of other stars. Another promising area of research involves the study of extremophiles, organisms that can survive in extreme environments on Earth. These creatures, which can live in conditions such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents, acidic lakes, and frozen tundras, provide valuable insight into how life might exist in harsh environments on other planets. If life can thrive in the extreme conditions found on Earth, it is conceivable that life could exist on planets with similar environments, even if those conditions seem inhospitable by our standards. The role of exoplanets in the search for life. In recent years, the discovery of exoplanets has significantly expanded our understanding of the possibilities for life beyond Earth. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system, and many of them are located in what is known as the habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions are right for liquid water to exist. The discovery of such planets, particularly those that are Earth-sized and in the habitable zone, has fueled excitement among scientists about the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. One of the most significant breakthroughs in exoplanet research came with the launch of the Kepler Space Telescope in 2009. Kepler's mission was to search for Earth-like planets orbiting other stars, and it has discovered thousands of exoplanets, some of which are similar in size and composition to Earth. The discovery of planets like Kepler 452b, often referred to as Earth's cousin, has sparked discussions about the possibility of habitable worlds in distant solar systems. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, launched in December 2021, is another tool that will play a crucial role in the search for life. JWST is designed to study exoplanet atmospheres in more detail, including their chemical compositions. By analyzing the light passing through an exoplanet's atmosphere, scientists can detect the presence of gases such as oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide, key indicators of potential life. With its advanced capabilities, JWST could provide crucial information about exoplanets that might support life. UFOs in popular culture: how media shapes our beliefs. The way UFOs are perceived is heavily influenced by media and popular culture. From blockbuster films like E.T. the Extraterrestrial and Close Encounters of the Third Kind to conspiracy theories and documentaries, the portrayal of UFOs and extraterrestrial life has shaped public expectations and beliefs. These media portrayals often depict aliens as either benevolent visitors or hostile invaders, and the imagery associated with UFOs, flying saucers, alien grays, crop circles, has become deeply ingrained in our cultural imagination. The future of UFO research and our quest for answers. As we move into the future, the UFO phenomenon will continue to be a topic of fascination and debate. With the advent of new technologies, such as more advanced telescopes, drones, and surveillance systems, we may be on the verge of discovering more about the nature of UFOs and their potential origins. Governments, military agencies, and independent researchers are all contributing to the growing body of knowledge about aerial phenomena. One exciting development is the growing collaboration between private companies and government agencies in the pursuit of answers. For example, companies like SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, are working on space exploration technologies that may eventually lead to direct contact with extraterrestrial civilizations. With increasing funding and interest in space research, the possibility of uncovering the truth about UFOs and extraterrestrial life seems more attainable than ever before. However, the question remains: what will it mean if we do find conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial life? Will it be a moment of celebration or fear? The discovery of intelligent alien life would undoubtedly change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Conclusion: the final question. The UFO phenomenon is more than just an intriguing mystery, it is a reflection of humanity's deep-seated curiosity and our desire to understand the unknown. Whether we are witnessing extraterrestrial spacecraft, secret military technology, or natural phenomena, the question of what lies beyond our planet continues to captivate us. As we search for answers, the UFO phenomenon forces us to ask one final question: what does it mean for us if we do find the truth? Will we be ready to confront the reality of life beyond Earth, or will we remain forever bound by our own limitations and doubts? Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown. What are your thoughts on the UFO phenomenon? Do you believe we're alone in the universe, or is something else out there? Let us know in the comments below.